Adjective endings. Adjectives have different endings. Some adjectives end in fall or less. Examples: homeless people, a beautiful dress, a careless driver. An adjective that ends in less is the opposite of the same adjective that ends in fall. For example, harmful, harmless, careful, and careless, which means the fall ending means having a lot of something. For example, painful means having a lot of pain. Helpful, having a lot of hope. The less ending means without. For example, leafless without leaves. Sleeveless means without sleeves.